Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia, and if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Please go subscribe to my channel now if you haven't subscribed. Click on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, and if you haven't seen my previous videos, you can go check them out after this very video. Thanks for joining today. I love you guys. So guys, I've really missed you guys so much, and I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you guys are safe, really safe. And yeah, it's another lockdown in England, and yeah, today I woke up, I was feeling, kind of happy, and at the same time I was feeling crazy because my hair was rough. So I had to relax my hair, and I wanted to share with you guys how I did that and share with you the product that I used, so you can go try it if you want to. And yeah guys, if you want to see how I get to achieve my hair like this instead of that, you definitely want to keep on watching. So today guys, I decided to relax my hair. Yeah, I'm not a natural hair girl. How will I say it? I am not. I can't maintain it, so I like to maintain my hair with my moisturizer, and I'm gonna be using this Dark and Lovely moisturizer. So I don't normally use this. I use the olive oil one, but I haven't gone out since. I was supposed to go get it from Superdrug. I haven't gone out, so I decided to use this one. So this one I'm trying it for the first time, so I don't really know how it looks inside. So I'm gonna unbox it and see what it looks like. The relaxer. So this is the shampoo, yeah, and it's also come with a conditioner. And this is the Moisture Plus Cream Activator, yeah, and this is the relaxer. I'm gonna be pouring this activator cream into the relaxer, and then I'm gonna mix it. So let me show you. I'm going to do that. finish applying the relaxer, and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes as said in the instruction. I don't think I can wait, guys, honestly, but I'm just gonna wait for 2 minutes and see, because my head hurts already, my goodness. But I'm just gonna try and wait for some minutes.